Hi guys, so we are from EFORGE, alright, so you have already watched our unboxing video. So here is the NAMI BURN-E Viper. Okay, so we are the official distributor and also dealer for Selangor and KL. Right, so on the left side there is the on-off button. You can adjust speed modes, the modes and everything. Later I'll show you guys the presettings. It comes with a speedometer. You have your battery indicator. You can adjust the speed modes. Right, and then you have a turbo mode over here. Later I'll let you know what is the functions. Signal lights left and right, trip. You can have tons of settings.
Your average speed,
yep.
Your average max speed, and also the range that you can go to.
Correct.
So this is the current speed you're going to have.
Right, so there's tons of feature over here. On the right side, you can use the on-off button for the lights, signal lights, horn. Right, is using a thumb throttle. Okay, brake levers, you have NUTT hydraulics. Right, the frame structure wise is using a AVIATION aluminium brake. The motor is using a 1500 watt motor, front and back. Okay, but the peak of this motors, it can kick in up to 4200 watts both. So meaning that you have 8400 watts. Okay, the charging port is located at the front. Here's the charging port. And the suspension is using hydraulic COIL-SHOCK, front and back. And the best part about it, it has the rebound adjustment. So here you can see the stem of the NAMI BURN-E Viper. It's using a full carbon fiber. Inside is enforced by aluminium also, right? And then when you come down here, you can see the folding mechanism is totally different. It's a patented design by NAMI BURN-E. Right, to unlock, you need to twist up the column. Right, you can see there is a cone structure over here. This and this fits properly when you put it down. Okay, and then there's the track for the column to lock in tight. Right, so you can see the controllers are located right in the front of the scooter to provide a better ventilation, better cooling, better heat dispersion. It's using SINE wave controllers. Okay, the horn is located in the front. And the controllers are all having waterproof connections, so you don't have to worry about it. The battery is using a 72 volt 35 Ah, using all PANASONIC cells. And then you can see the deck size. The width is about 12 inch. The length is about 22 inch. Okay, it has a very wide deck, so you can place your foot anywhere during the rides. And at the back here, you can rest your foot here if you're doing any speeding to provide much more stability for you. You can have a look. The disc brakes is using NUTT hydraulic disc brakes. The disc size of the rotors are 160 mm. Okay, so for the accessories wise, it comes with 2 chargers. Alright, so this is the NAMI charger. Okay, you can see this is the original one. It comes with 2 chargers. This is the Allen keys, right? 1 set, and then you have the warranty manual book, the NAMI BURN-E. Okay. Alright, so that concludes our NAMI BURN-E unboxing video. This is EFORGE. We are the authorized dealer for NAMI BURN-E in Selangor and KL. So if you're looking for this, come to EFORGE. Thanks for watching.